It's time to run some benchmarks on my PC, so I have downloaded free software UserBenchmark, and let's look what are the results pre-launch. Saying that my mouse is slow. Okay. Okay, here is the noise when it's loaded. I see for some reason my mouse, the software doesn't like my mouse, but I love it so much. Okay, maybe I need to use that one, USB one. Anyway, let's look. I'm not interested into the mouse, I'm interested into CPU and GPU. Alright, it's still running. But 82%. $93. Right, so it's finishing. Okay, results are here, so let's look. Performance, gaming, 192%. I don't know what does it mean. Workstation, 268. Okay, where is my PC? Here, 80 percentiles, performing above expectation. Sounds promising. Graphic card here. Performing way above expectation, 92 percentile. I'm thinking why CPU, maybe it's default settings, some kind of overspeeding, overclocking is needed, but Okay, SSD. Samsung SSD, everything great. Now I have VD 8 terabytes drive. So yeah, it's comparing to all the setup, of course it's slow, but I'm not going to use it a lot. I'm just going to store the data here. And here is the memory. Memory is here. But okay. So a final result. So I believe everything is okay here. Let's get back to the benchmarks. So I have downloaded 3DMark demo free version. So let's try this. Okay, I need to open Steam. Launching. Let's wait a bit. And we will see how it performs. It takes a bit while it's being loaded. Probably it's heavy software. Alright, so 3DMark has loaded. So now what I can check, I can benchmark for gaming PC still Nomad. Okay, press run. Collecting information. The test has started. Alright, so graphic test 85 FPS. Your score, so it's below average, but I don't know what this means. Is it something wrong with my configuration or? GPU 5080 display. DirectX 12. So here is the test. I don't know if it's good or not. Probably it's to decide for you. You better know. I'm not a gamer, but still it's quite interesting. Okay, stress tests are paid. Benchmarks, yeah, I can try one more time. Display. run. Still collecting info. Alright, seems the test is finished. No, not yet. FPS 1000. Okay, dropped to 800, 900. The third test, 1500 FPS. Okay, now it dropped to 1000. Now CPU test. The noise of CPU has been increased. Fans are working. Okay, now I see the results. The results are great. It's above average. Alright, so that's the basic test. Hope it was interesting. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.